This mod was supposed to be out around 8 months ago, and because of the pandemic, the COVID-19, GoPro has some issues with the production and distribution of this, so it just came out around 2-3 weeks ago, and we have it here. We have this already on a pre-order. We didn't cancel it, so we decided to steal with the pre-order, and now we have it here. Let's open this and check what is inside, and I will tell you it is a good decision to buy this right now. I don't know, we have some paperwork here. There's instructions, safety instructions, nothing else inside the box. And here we have a USB-C cable. Put this inside the box. Okay, so we have the USB-C cable and this little plastic case with the GoPro. I don't know if you be able to see it there. Let me see here. It's a GoPro here, but let's open this, and here we have this little screen, 2 inches screen. Be aware of this. For you to use this with your GoPro Hero 8, you will need the Media Mod. This over here is $79.99. That's why the question is, should you buy this? Because for this, you will be spending $79.99. To use this, you will need the Media Mod, and this is $79.99 plus what you already have to spend on a GoPro Hero 9. Right now, the GoPro Hero, the GoPro Hero 8. And that's a question because the GoPro Hero 9 is already out, and the GoPro Hero 8 price is around $349. If you add to that price the $79.99 of this Media Mod plus the $79.99 of the Display Mod, you will be spending around $510. And why you will have to spend all that money? And this was supposed to be the creators or blogging dream. GoPro presented this last year as the perfect setup for bloggers, and in paper it was. If you see this, you have a shotgun microphone, you have the display screen, a great camera. GoPro is a great camera. It's small, you can put it on your pocket. It's a good camera. You don't have zoom, you don't have different things that you may be thinking that you will need for blogging. But if you are blogging and blog style, it's like this. So if you are like this, you don't need zoom, you just need that camera in front of you, and will be perfect on the blogging environment to see or watch yourself while you are recording. And this was supposed to be the dream device or setup for bloggers. Still, yes, if you already have the GoPro 8, maybe spending $150 more to get this setup, maybe yes, it worked for you. You don't have to spend on a new camera or a new GoPro. But if you don't have the GoPro Hero 8 and you need you like GoPro, so yeah, I love GoPro, but if you want a GoPro that you could use as a vlogging setup. You will buy this at $510, or you will buy something like this. This is a new GoPro Hero 9. We're gonna have the unboxing video and review here. I'm gonna leave that over here, the link over here, and the link on the description below. This is coming, so be aware of that. Follow us if you are not following us on the social media. Please do so on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And this video is coming out soon. But as I said, this camera is new, brand new. Is around $449 right now on GoPro.com. So if you want this, and this has a front display here already embedded on the camera. So as I say, if you already have the GoPro Hero 8, this is a great camera, and you need a vlogging setup, you can use this setup. Yes, you will be spending $150 because you already have the GoPro Hero 8. But if you don't have the GoPro yet, if you were to spend $510 on all this, the selfie stick is not included on that price, so it's only this part, $510 on that. My opinion, no, you have the GoPro Hero 9 with the front display already embedded on the camera. But if you have the camera already, the GoPro Hero 8, yes, you can embed on this, and you will have your front display 2 inches. Anyway, it's gonna be by the way, you can still using this, but again, with the GoPro Hero 9, you will need to buy the display, no, not the display, the Media Mod, a different one, because it doesn't fit on the GoPro Hero 9. This one is only for the GoPro Hero 8. If you want to use this, again with this $79.99, I believe on the GoPro.com, the Media Mod for the GoPro Hero 9 is around that price. Should be the same price, $79.99. So for what, to be able to use this display, it's a little bit bigger than the one the GoPro 9 has already on the front, but will be more money. So if you already have the camera, yes, you can spend $150 and get this setup. But if you don't have the camera, there's no reason to spend $510 on this setup when you can spend $449, $60 less if you buy the GoPro Hero 9. So let me know, do you have the GoPro Hero 8? Do you buy the display mod? This is the setup that you want, or you prefer going with the GoPro Hero 9? Let me know in the comments. Again, this is, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you are not following us on social media, please do so. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and if you're not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notifications when we upload new videos. And let me know in the comments, because I already have it, but I don't know if it's something that is worth for you or not. The video for the GoPro Hero 9 is coming soon, so just click the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notifications for the new GoPro Hero 9 unboxing and review video. And what else can I tell you about this? It is too late. You let me know. Let me know in the comments. For me, it's too late. Too late for this. Let me know in the comments. See you on the next one. Bye.